สวัสดีค่ะ
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Walking down Sukhumvit Road, Sunday night, late October. Let's see what's going on. See what we can find tonight, shall we? Plenty of people around, enjoying themselves. This is new, Top Chiron glasses shop there. That wasn't there last time I was here. Interesting. Oh, broccoli in the air again, just outside the Hyatt Regency. Plenty of people. The actual, the Hyatt Regency, you should go up the top, the roof bar up there. It's pretty damn cool, man. You'll love it, I reckon. It's pretty good. Prices are typical, you know, rooftop bar prices. But rooftop bars are always expensive, mate. But you enjoy the view. That's what you're paying for. Really good. Really good. You'll enjoy it. It's a good place. Outside the Margarita Storm. Let's try and get across here. Beautiful. It's outside the Soi 13. Interesting. See, things have changed, man. Quite a few things have changed. It's only been 5 months since I've been here. That's incredible. Can't believe that. It's amazing how quick things change in this country. There's a new shop going up every friggin' 10 seconds. Or one's closing down and reopening up as something different, as something else. Interesting. I suppose that's typical Thailand, though, isn't it? In Southeast Asia, I suppose. It's the way it is, I suppose. I don't know. Not sure. Tuk-tuks, they're loud bastards. Good fun, though, if you ever go in one of them. Now this, oh, that's still Tom's Coffee. Is it 24 hours? Yeah, open 24 hours. I remember that from last time. Never had a coffee there though. Never ever have I had a coffee there. A lot of Koreans and Japanese here at the moment. Good to see. Good to see. And you know, one thing I haven't noticed, or I have noticed, there's hardly any Russians. Very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah.
Take my video.
No, it's not.
Why you take video?
No, it's not video. Not video. Live band going off in there, mate. No one in there though. Sounds good. Sounds good. What's going on? traffic is at a standstill, as per usual on Sukhumvit Road. As per usual. Outside the Western Hotel here on Sukhumvit. Very, very popular hotel, 5 stars. And no, I haven't stayed there either, but I think it would be pretty damn good, but pretty expensive, I would say. Trip over the money. Plenty of fresh fruit along the road here. So refreshing, that stuff, when you have that. Oh, beautiful. In these hot conditions. Now, just outside Terminal 21. Very nice shopping centre. Very nice shopping centre. Very busy shopping centre as well. Very popular with the locals and the tourists. They love it. Because it's got everything, it really has. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good shopping centre. Wow. Oh my goodness. Lift it, mate, lift it. Oh my Lord. This joint is busy as hell, always during the day, like a coffee shop, bread shop, pizza shop there. Always busy during the day, must be pretty good. This guy's on the violin, he's here all the time. Good. Pumping out a few love tunes. And here we are at Rama. The busiest intersections in Bangkok. Very busy intersection. And of course there's the cowboy over there. But we're not going there. Not this time anyway, guys. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye for now.